Hello, CIR folks. This is Albert from TD Canada Trust. I'm your mortgage specialist here in the CIR in the South office.
Hello, everyone, and my name is Amrit Paul. I'm part of the Northeast Calgary CIR office.
And we are here today to talk about the new down payment guidelines, which we actually covered off on a CIR live broadcast not too long ago. But we wanted to give you another recap here today in a business tip.
Awesome. Okay, so let's get into it now. Down payment rules have changed. Effective February 16th, clients who are purchasing between $500,000 to $1 million will need to slightly increase their down payment. What does this really mean for the clients? Minimal impact. Majority of the clientele, as you're already aware of, does put down 10% when purchasing in this range. However, those clients that are only putting down 5% are still putting down 5% up to $500,000. In addition, they are putting down 10% for any portion above that $500,000.
Yeah, I think in Calgary, most of the homes are, again, as you said, people are putting down 10% anyways.
That's right.
And our market, of course, is different from Toronto and Vancouver. So I think this is more of an impact for there, but for Calgary, not so much. Here's a quick example for you. This is on a $600,000 purchase price. Of course, the old rule would have been 5% or $30,000. The new rule, of course, is 10%, but it's not $60,000 like Paul had mentioned. It's only 5% of the first $500,000, and then it's 10% of the next $100,000. So that equals $35,000 compared to $30,000 prior to the change. So again, only a slight increase from 30 to 35. Here are the other ones from $600,000 up to $1 million. You'll see the middle column here talks about the down payment percentage. It actually is 5% if it's 500 and below, but it only goes to 5.8% if it's 600,000, or 6.9% if it's 800,000. And even if you wanted to put down 5% on $1 million home, which I would never advise, now you have to put down 7.5%. So really nowhere on there does it say 10%. So again, there's a nice summary for you to look at.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Albert.
So a couple questions for you I have.
Go ahead.
Genworth and Canada Guarantee are two other insurers. CMHC is obviously not the only one. Are they also making the same changes?
Yes, because it is a government-forced regulation. So any other insurer, Genworth, be it CMHC or any other ones, they all have to follow that regulation. Also, any other financial institution, brokerage, or credit union has to follow the suit as well.
Okay. What about first-time home buyers? Are they exempt from this?
There's no exception for first-time home buyers. They follow the same rules as everyone else as well.
Okay. And under 500,000, I think we've been clear.
Nothing changes for under 500,000. Anybody purchasing under that price point will also continue to still put down 5%.
And premiums also?
Premiums do not get affected.
No changes? Okay.
That's right. So anything above $1 million, CMHC and Genworth and most of the insurers, all of the insurers actually don't offer any type of insurance on there.
So it's more money down on those?
Exactly, and
okay.
20% down.
20% down. Okay.
That's right.
Well, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget, at TD Canada Trust, you get more bank
for your buck.
For your buck.